Hello, this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have a hair remover. This is nose and ear hair remover, also coming with a travel kit. This is from one American company called Remington, established in New York 1937. So very old company, almost 100 years you can say that. Very lovely looking kit, this one. Price $13 to $15 or euro. You can find this one in Amazon or other places. Lovely looking packaging. You can see it has a kit, a pack inside, a leather pouch, a pack. Different information is written. Here, all the information. Okay, all the kit. You have a scissor, nail cutter, and the main tool here, remover, and a comb as well. Different languages is written here. RemingtonEurope.com. I bought this one in Spain. So here you have something as this as well. So without any further ado, I'm gonna cut this pack. Here we go. Let me take this off from here. Let's see at the top. Lovely. From here as well. And wow, lovely pack. You can see Remington is written. Pouch is a travel kit. You can take wherever you want. Quality not bad. Is in this price is not bad, but not actually premium neither. So it's fine in this price. I'll unzip this one. Okay, here the manual is very in rough shape, very bad way. When they fold this manual, they look very ugly, to be honest. They should organize a little bit, put decency in this case. No decency in this. Flip flap, whatever. Very ugly way to pack this one. Okay, but inside you can see, lovely. You can see here, you have different tool, a comb, a nail cutter, a scissor. This is a knife or something is that, I think. Check this one later. Here is the tool, hair cutter, another comb. There is one head to cut this. Quality, no bad, plastic, and the battery. So let's start with the battery. Remington. This is alkaline battery, if I'm not wrong. Fine. Lovely AA size of battery. Then we have a head here. This is cut here more close. So if you want, you can take this. You see, you can change the direction. Also, you can take this out and you can use the head directly. This is lovely. So you can cut here as you want directly with this tool. Lovely. After that, we have here a small brush, you can see, to clean. Okay, in case you have to clean. Then we have a comb. Lovely. A medium size full comb with a big brush and a small brush as well. Lovely. Not bad. Okay. Little bit here is damaged already, but doesn't matter. This side. Think this is a clipper to clip something your hair. This is fine. After that, we have another comb, a small comb for mustache, beard. Lovely, beautiful. This one is small. Then a nail cutter here. Lovely, not bad. Cheap quality nail cutter. Cheap quality, tell you. Not bad, too handy. After that, a scissor. The same cheap quality scissor, can say, but handy to have this one. After that, another. This is a knife sort of thing, I think. Take this out from here. Coke opener here, or different type of can. And this one to sharp your nail. With this one, you can see that there's one knife here, a cutter. not bad. Cheap quality, not very high, not bad. And the main tool here, let's see from the middle, not bad. It's a plastic tool, button on and off. Here you see the head, one head, this one, can take this off to cut your hair from your nose, from your ear, those. So I'm gonna put a battery and I'm gonna show you how it is. So we'll put the battery clockwise direction. You move this one and let's see, it should be this way or this way. Here we go. Now guys, put the battery on. I feel power, strong power I feel here. Okay, lovely. In this case, if I change the head, take this off from here, put this head, and now if I put, it is strong guys. You see here how strong is moving. Lovely. I will show you cutting some hair with this one. Lovely head. Also, if you want to put something here, you can add maybe from behind as this. Here we go. And you can push up, down, you can adjust beard or hair you're cutting. You can use this tool. Not bad. See how it is? Not bad tool. And has a force guys. The force and power I feel at my hand. So body, let me show you how it is. Here at the bottom, on and off. You have some grip at the middle. Lovely. Some information written, BS 2025. Lovely tool guys, lovely tool. More closer, you can see now better. Not bad, the performance, good one, this one. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care, till then, bye.